The factory floor is about to get a new kind of worker. Not a human, not a forklift. A machine built to walk, see, and work with the same spaces designed for us. Humanoid robots are moving from flashy demonstrations into real industrial trials. Agility Robotics says its Digit robot is already commercially operating in warehouse and industrial facilities, carrying bins and totes. BMW is testing its AEON humanoid robot in plant operations, including factory logistics and production support. And Hyundai has outlined plans to deploy 25,000 Atlas humanoid robots and manufacture robot components in the United States. That sounds like science fiction. But the first jobs are not science fiction jobs. They are repetitive, heavy, dangerous tasks, moving parts, feeding production lines, and working in spaces already built for human bodies. The real battle is not whether these robots can walk. It is whether they can work safely, reliably, and cheaply enough to stay on the factory floor. Companies call this a way to fill labor shortages and remove dangerous work. Workers wonder whether the same machines will eventually replace them. The robot workforce is arriving one pilot program at a time. Are these machines taking jobs, or taking the jobs nobody wants?